Good morning from downtown Hammonton. Matthew Haviland here with Keller Williams Realty Atlantic Shore and the prompt team. Today I'm going to take you for a walking tour of downtown Hammonton. This is an area I've talked a lot about in some of my other videos, and I'm going to give you a chance to see it. Walk the streets here with me downtown Hammonton. All right, so let me flip the camera around. I am right next to the train tracks here. The nice thing about Hammonton, we do have a train that goes right from Atlantic City all the way into Philadelphia from Hammonton here. So great location. I'm not going to have a chance to show you everything because there's so much to see here downtown. But we do have a few cool spots that I'll show you here. We're right along the train tracks. The train station across the street there. We have a couple of businesses down this way. El Mariachi Loco right here across the street. I'm gonna make my way over there. And a lot of great restaurants and dining in Hammonton. If you like Italian, Mexican, several other great options too. And I love the architecture here. You see the architecture of this building here. Really beautiful. We'll start on the other side of the street here. Hopefully we get the hit the button here for the light. We'll be able to make it across. So beautiful architecture. This is, in my opinion, I think one of the best downtowns in South Jersey. Very vibrant. A lot great local shops, restaurants, places to check out if you're in the area. So definitely worth checking out. Down the street here is one of my favorite food trucks, which is Tacos El Carbon. So food truck down there. There's definitely some food truck stops here. So I'm just going to walk down the street here to show you what's available. Got some law offices, business offices here. A lot of variety of places. Now, one thing you can't tell from this video, it smells really good here. I'm smelling something's cooking here. Something is cooking. Boutique shops here. Got a kitchen shop here, Shellwood Kitchen. That was a really nice place there. Dance studio. Get your tax returns done here. A video game store. Yeah, more offices, things here. Another shop. The shops at Bellevue, antique, vintage. Cool things there. Across the street here, cross over. We have a toy store right here in Hammonton. Toy market. Blank Page Boutique. It's very nice there. Some ladies' clothes. Bagel Cafe, Bellevue Bagel Cafe right here. Open 7 days, 8 to 1. Very nice. All right, exit 28 Boutique. This is Cassiano's, great place here for coffee. Travel Center. The wine bar right here, like the really nice outdoor patio space back here as well. Not a wine bar. Oh, it was. Let's see, olive, okay. Cannolis, gelato, espresso, Menino's. Great spot there. Okay. This is the Funky Cow restaurant right here. Funky Cow. Ooh, there it is, right on the corner. Show you a few more places here and then we'll cross over the street. A few more businesses down here. So as you can see, it's a very vibrant downtown area. Different businesses down here as well. Juice bar. Great. Across the street, again, you see the architecture here, old bank building. Some beautiful buildings here. Okay. I'm going to go across and go back on the other side of the street, and then we'll head back towards El Mariachi Loco. Okay, let me cross. Oop. Okay. So, Richard Stockton University. Stockton University has a building here as well, downtown. We have the Noise Museum, some arts, culture going on here. The Bellevue. So this is a neat building, old bank building here. Very cool. Beautiful day here as heading into spring here in downtown Hammonton. Head across the street, and then there's another view of the building. Yeah. Okay. Bellevue Drug Company here on the corner. Just got a green light. Let's head back across the street. Again. Architecture very interesting in here as well. If you look at this building, I don't know what style you would call this. Kind of looks like something from the 70s. Got this golden hardware, even the gold on the side of the building up here. Really cool looking. Yeah, mid-century modern, maybe you'd call that. And we'll head back down the street here in downtown Hammonton. So if you're looking to visit this area, definitely recommend downtown here in Hammonton. And there's also a lot of options for housing here as well. So great place to live. You're kind of right in between Atlantic City and Philadelphia. Again, lots of retail, lots of restaurants. It's a great place to live here. You got the funeral home. Yeah, the architecture again is really neat. The layers of the building. All right. This is Edward Jones here. Across the street, Marcello's Italian restaurant. Again, plenty of restaurant options here downtown. We've got the salon and spa here. A little artwork. Okay. Yeah, and I don't know what restaurant I'm smelling right now, but it smells excellent, and it's almost lunchtime, so getting a little hungry on this walking tour here of Hammonton. Again, beautiful architecture. Another vintage vinyl store here. Old pharmacy building here. That's neat. And also have some practical things here, like your urgent care right here on the corner. Cooper Urgent Care. Pittsburgh Paints. Another salon here. Yeah. Beautiful day. Keep on walking. Okay, Phoenix, Chinese, Japanese, sushi. Great place here. We have law offices, another barber shop, salon. Domino's Pizza, martial arts. Another cafe here, Mary's Cafe. And back to El Mariachi, which is a great restaurant here. You see the water tower there in the distance. Trying to make it back across the street here. Okay. So this has been a tour of downtown Hammonton. I hope this gives you a little taste, a little feel for what Hammonton has to offer. And if you like this video, you'll definitely want to watch this video next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. God bless.